Good day to the people watching this video. We are the group 1, and in this video you will be seeing the 3 topics from physics, wherein we show different scenarios in order to demonstrate these topics, which are speed and velocity, the laws of motion by Isaac Newton, and momentum. Together with my group mates, Ray Jomar Katapang, Al Ilagan, Ira May Villaflores, and Micaela Antonio. Let's proceed with the scenarios. First off is speed versus velocity.
Speed and velocity are often interchangeably in our everyday lives, but in physics, um, the two have a very important differences. Speed is a scalar quantity and that refers to how fast an object is moving. Speed can be true of a rate at which an object covers distance. Now, moving on, and velocity is a vector quantity that refers to the rate which an object changes its position. Um, Velocity is vector quantity, meaning that it is a direction aware. When evaluating the velocity of an object, one must keep track of direction. This is one of the essential differences between speed and velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity and does not keep track of direction, while velocity is a vector quantity and it's direction aware. In this activity, we can see how the person in the video demonstrate the topic and hand through riding a bike, showing speed at the certain direction, showing velocity.
Next up is Isaac Newton's laws of motion. The 3 laws of motion by Isaac Newton is very important because it relates to everything we do or see in our everyday lives. It explains how things or us people move or stay still, or maybe how buildings just don't fall down. And so basically, it explains the motion around us. In the first law, we understand that an object's motion will not change unless acted upon by an external force. In the second law, it states that the force of an object is equivalent to its mass times its acceleration. And in the third law, it says that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. In the following scenarios, we will see these laws in action, and so let us move on to it.
First law of motion. In accordance with the first law of motion, passing the ball to a player shows that the ball was passed. Therefore, there was a motion and it stopped because it was stopped by an external force, which is the other player catching the ball. The next is second law of motion. Using the same scenario, passing the ball to a player shows that the acceleration of the ball is directly proportionate, while the mass of the ball was inversely proportionate with the force exerted on the ball when the player passed the ball.
To demonstrate the third law, the dribbling of the ball shows that the ground has an equal and opposite reaction with the bouncing or dribbling of the ball.
And for our last topic, we have momentum.
Momentum is commonly used term in sports. A team that has a momentum is on the move and is going to take some effort to stop. Momentum is a physics term. It refers to the quantity of motion that an object has. Momentum can be defined as mass in motion. All objects have mass. So if an object is moving, then it has momentum. It trouble stopping when running because they have accumulate more momentum than those that are smaller or running slower.
Now that we are done with the demonstration of the topics, speed versus velocity, the three laws of motion and momentum, I hope you have understood the topics through our demonstrations. That is all, and thank you.